Hey campers, my name is Martina, and as you know, I'm a passionate camper. I love sharing my experiences and some tips and tricks about camping and camping gear. Today, we will dive into a typical day at a campsite and how we usually spend it during the summer holidays. Normally we choose a beach right by the sea, so we wake up to the sound of gentle sea waves and take a short walk to the beach to breathe in the fresh, salty air. After that, we have to rush to the bathroom because in our camplet there is no built-in toilet. Luckily, we love the clean and well-kept toilets at campsites. Then, it's time to prepare breakfast. We usually go for something simple, like scrambled eggs or sunny side up eggs paired with some cheese and maybe a bit of fruit. I also make myself a coffee to start the day on a relaxing note. While we enjoy our breakfast, we are often visited by a curious squirrel, hopping around nearby and keeping us entertained with its playful antics. After breakfast, we decide what we will do for the day. Sometimes we sunbathe or take a walk to explore the nature nearby. Other days, we might hop in the car and drive to the nearby town or grab our bikes and head out for a ride. There's always something to do, but we try not to rush. Instead, enjoying the moment and appreciating the beautiful views the nature brings us. As the day goes on, we start to prepare a late lunch or early dinner. We always cook on our trips, but we don't bring a lot of kitchen gadgets since we like to keep things minimalistic. We usually prepare something simple but very delicious, like grilled meat, pasta, or maybe a quick salad. Cooking outdoors feels so different, and the sea view just makes everything taste better. As the evening grows in, we usually go for a nice walk to stretch our legs and explore the nearby towns. It's become a tradition to grab some ice cream along the way, enjoying the sunset and the peaceful vibe of the place. In some towns, there's live music, and we love soaking in the atmosphere alongside other tourists. Then we head back to the campsite, prepare ourselves for the night, and relax under the stars before heading to bed. And that's it, a short overview of our day at the campsite. Let me know in the comments how you normally spend your days at the campsite or while camping. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!